Hello guys, welcome to Earthonomics. We are going to start with a new series on microeconomics. So the first topic to begin with is theory of consumer behavior. Let's just discuss in brief कि who is a consumer या consumer क्या है. So consumer is a person who demands or who creates a demand for a commodity that can be a good or a service in a market. So consumer behavior analysis is a process by which consumer makes rational decisions regarding various goods and services, and that decisions are dependent upon his income and the prices. The main goal of consumer is to achieve higher level of satisfaction that is referred to as the point of consumer equilibrium. Now consumer equilibrium is a point where a consumer derives maximum satisfaction or gets maximum utility with the limited amount of resources that he has, with the limited resources. Now the term utility comes into play, which means which was given by Daniel Bernoulli in 1738, and it is defined as the want satisfying of a commodity. Basically ये एक psychological phenomena है which is associated with subjectivity, relativity and usefulness. That means whatever commodity or whatever things provides utility to me, that does not necessarily means कि आपको भी उससे utility मिलेगी. अगर if I prefer apple over oranges, that does not mean that you will also prefer apple over oranges and they will provide you maximum utility. We are also going to discuss with cardinal and ordinal utility, the two types of utility analysis in brief. Cardinal approach, which was given by Alfred Marshall in his book named Principle of Economics in 1890. Under this approach, utility is measured in absolute numbers and the standard unit given to utility is utils. The second approach, which is ordinal approach, given and developed by Pareto in 1906. Under this, satisfaction can be ranked in order of preference. Unlike the cardinal approach where you can give it absolute numbers, here you can only rank your preferences. Like I just rank apple are more preferable to me than oranges. So in that way I can rank my preferences. Under this method, consumer equilibrium can be attained by using indifference curve analysis. अब ये indifference curve analysis क्या है? Indifference curve, that is the IC curve जिसे हम budget line से coincide करके consumer equilibrium point निकालते हैं, which you must have studied before as well. So ये indifference curve analysis basically Edgeworth ने develop किया था 1881 में, और पर इसका well explanation या इसका जो first graphical representation है, that was given by Pareto. Thank you. This is all for this video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.